Damn, look how dirty this is. And this is the second one. Stay tuned. What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing well. It's your boy Luke. So today I have another quick and easy install video, but it's something that's super overlooked in most cars. I would say 9 out of 10 owners overlook this, and it's this piece right here. This is your cabin filter, and a lot of people, for a lot of things, it's usually out of sight, out of mind, and the cabin filter gets overlooked. Some people might own a car their entire lifetime and never change this piece. And I will tell you, it is something that's super important, especially these days. A lot of people got allergies and whatnot. And by replacing a cabin filter, not only will you allow more fresh air and reduce your risk of allergens coming into your vehicle, but it enhances the HVAC performance of your car as well. And usually I would say like every year, around every year, or maybe 12,000 miles, 15,000 miles to change this. I will link everything in the description, so don't worry about that. And they're so cheap. I mean, so cheap. You can get them for like anywhere from 10, 15, maybe at most 20 bucks. Some makers, you might get them over $20. That's if they're scented or whatever the case might be, but this is such a cheap fix. And the only thing that you're gonna need is this right here, a needle nose pliers for the Subaru. So later on, I'll be doing another video on my wife's Kia that might be a little bit different, but for the Subi, let me show you. So what you're gonna be doing is, when you open your glove box, and that's where most of your cabin filters are, behind the glove box. So this piece right here, what we're gonna be doing, you have to pinch this to release this piston. I actually loosened it up already. So you pinch that to release this piston. Mine is all jacked up, if you notice right here. That's because I ran my music system, my aftermarket head unit from SciGav and such and such and such. So I'll put up a link for that as well. I ran a lot of gauge wiring, door sill wiring. There's so many wires. So I had to take this off many times. So mine looks a little beat up. Yours wouldn't look like this. Now, once you loosen the piston right here, I don't know if you could see it. I'm gonna show you once I take it off. Once you loosen that piston, right here, you have to push in, because there's a wedge that hits this piece, preventing it from, as you can see, from falling out. So it's on this side and the other side. So what you're gonna have to do is push here and push the other side at the same time while you're pulling down, okay? And I'll show you what that looks like. All right, guys, so let me show you this real quick. You're gonna take a little, it's gonna need a little bit of muscle, because it's the pushing in portion that gets you the most. You know what I'm saying? So let's see. There we go. So, and then you pull. Now, this is the piece right here that hits. Let me show you. So that piece right there, let me put this on the floor. So this piece right here and this piece right here, it hits right here to prevent the glove box from falling out once the piston is loose, okay? Now guys, be careful when you're messing with this. If the piston falls out, don't worry. It's a little hole in there. It goes right back in, so please not to worry about that. This is like super simple stuff, okay? It's literally like puzzle pieces. Now, once you get that out, this is your cabin filter right here. Pinch right here, or pinch right here, or you could use your both hands and you slide it out. Now look at this. Now I barely put any type of miles on this car. I have around roughly somewhere 14, maybe 15,000 miles on this car, and you can see. And now this is the second time I've changed this, and from the little that I drive this, you can see the type of debris that comes into your car. So if this is clogged, imagine this could even get moldy. So guys, you really need to be careful. Okay, so that's why this is such a great thing to do. You know what I mean? It definitely bumps the performance of your HVAC system. Now, if you look right here, remember, once you take out the other one, this arrow that says up, this is the way you're doing it. You're sliding it in the same way you take it out. So please be careful. And it slides in like a disc. This is like super, super easy. Okay? Now I want to show you guys something real quick, just in case I want to explain something to you. Notice there's some black particulates on this filter. This is activated carbon. And not only does this filter work to stop debris, but the activated carbon helps eliminate odors like carbon monoxide and other smells that come into the cabin. So this is definitely a plus. Okay, so now I'm just going to put the glove box back, and that's it. It's a wrap. All right guys, putting this glove box back in, it's way easier than taking it out, so that should take you a whole 10 seconds. But anyway guys, you know what to do. Definitely like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think, and definitely it will be time to check on yours as well. You know what I mean? This is a pretty inexpensive mod to do, and it actually helps with your allergies and just breathing on the whole. Forget if you have allergies. And obviously guys, the company is EP Auto. I think this cost me like around $12 or $13. It's not expensive, as I said. They range anyway. I've seen some of them for $8, $9. You know what I mean? But I wanted to get the one with the activated carbon in it. And if you have Prime, it can come in one day. So a really, really nice and easy fix. And even on the site on Amazon, it's cross-referenced all over the board. So you can do many cross-references from Fram, Napa, or whatever the case might be. Okay, so their website or their product is very, very informative on Amazon. Okay, so guys, that's my time. I'll talk to you all soon. Take it easy.